Okay, glue is all dried. It's good and hard. We're going to go ahead and face off this Tenon, and we're going to go ahead and install a tip. I'm going to install a triangle tip. One of the first things you have to do with these tips is to sand the back side of them. Make sure they're good and smooth. Smooth but a little bit rough for the glue will stick to it. We're going to use regular super glue, just like a regular tip job. Want to make sure it's nice and flat. And that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and turn down this Tenon. Want to be real careful now. You don't want to hit that ferrule. Because remember, that thing is awful hard, and you could break your tool, or you could break your ferrule. So what you're seeing is that that's glue coming off right there. Be real careful. Let's take a look at that. Well, not quite there yet. I still see some glue on the end of this ferrule here. So we're going to go in just a little bit more. I kind of like to come from the inside out. Let's see what we got. Still got some more there. We're going to go in and get a little bit more of that. And I like to take a little sandpaper, rough up the end of that Tenon a little bit. Just give the super glue a little bit extra grab onto. There we have it.